Banana cream pie consists of 3 simple items: a crust, the pudding, and bananas. So to make the crust, I simply took some old cookies, I put them in my Ziploc bag, and I pounded them down and rolled them out, and they're crushed up really fine. And then I added 4 tablespoons of melted butter, mixed it up, dumped it into the pie plate, and took something like this and just mushed it all down and rounded it up till it filled the pie plate. Then I mixed up a packet of instant pudding, banana cream pie pudding. And then I took 2 bananas and sliced them, layered the bananas, dumped in the pudding, all done. Here's a banana cream pie. It's time for the topping. So we're gonna make some whipped cream. Got some leftover heavy cream from the festivities on New Year's Eve. And those are leftover shortbread cookies that my son and his fiancée made. And we formed into a shell. Got some cream. Oh, a little bit of vanilla. And we need a little bit of confectionery sugar to sweeten it up. Not too much. There it is. Yeah, that's enough. Now we're going to add some air by whipping this up. Yeah, that's good. Look at that. That's whipped cream. Banana cream pie. Just smooth it out, get it to the edges. Not very difficult. Move it in, move it in, move it over here. Okay, there you go. Done.